Welcome to a new exciting tutorial. Today I will show you how to do it very easily. Convert a normal photo to an HDI photo. So begin, we will open this photo. First, we will take this clear tool once, click, then we'll merge it. I will merge again, as this picture is very dark. First, we will take this clear tool once, you can fine-tune this using the layer's opacity. And merge it again, to reduce the redness. I clicked on the redness reducer tool. You can fine-tune this using the layer's opacity. I will merge again. I am using this shine tool to enhance image shine. I will merge again. Click once on the Smart Sharpness tool to increase the sharpness of the image. And merge it again. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. This is a quick video tutorial to adjust photo color with PhotoKaya software. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. Thank you all.